That means how are you in Rwanda? One of the languages commonly spoken in Zambia. My name is, Zambia, whatever. My name is Josiah Banda and I live in the Nekansagwe village. My family recently received the gift of cattle from Heifer International last season. We had a bumper crop of white corn because we were able to use the draft cattle Heifer International gave us. Later this year, we will be able to pass on the gift of a calf to one of our neighbors. The ceremony will attract many people, including the Heifer staff. We are able to prevent tick-borne diseases that used to kill our cattle because of the training we have received from Heifer. I do not know what we would have done if Heifer had not helped us. My older sister, who paid our school fees and bought us food, died in a hospital 2 years ago. Doctors said she died from HIV/AIDS. Now, unlike most people in the village who are not a part of the Heifer group, my family has enough milk to drink and sell. We children go to school and we are able to pay for medicine when we have malaria. My family had always dreamed of building a house of cement and bricks. The round shape helped us spend less on construction. The club members have helped us to build a treadle pump to provide water for our animals and irrigation for our garden. Hopefully soon they will help us build a toilet. My mother used to spend much time and energy hauling water from the pond and had to walk long distances to gather firewood. The treadle pump and draft kettle have lessened these burdens now. She has time to herself and for the family. My father, unlike many fathers in the village, no longer has to think about going to the city to look for work.